Well, hello YouTubers, this is New Gamer, and today we're going to be doing a plugin showcase. Now, you'll be able to see this plugin showcase on two different channels. The main one, which is PixelCraft, because this is what this server is hosted by, and my main channel, which is the one I always use, which is the New Gamer HD. But today we're going to be using one in the chamber. So we type /OITC. You'll see all the commands here. Now, first things first, before you go into the map and do anything, what you want to do is you want to figure out where your main lobby is. Obviously, my main lobby would be wherever one of these signs are. Once I've finished spawn, there'd be like a little cave area with all the signs in. That's where my main lobby will be. So if you've got an area where there's like signs for the people to click and stuff like that, then be sure to make that your main area. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to make this bit here my main area. So you type /OITC and then you do space set main lobby, and boom, there you go, you set your main lobby. Now what you want to do is you want to TP over to your first arena. Now I've got to do /back because I was already in here a second ago, and some of you guys may know what this map is, some of you may not, and for those that don't recognize it, it is the map Strike Zone of Call of Duty. So it looks pretty awesome, to be honest, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Now up here is the lobby for this map. So what you got to do is wherever your lobby is, where you want them to obviously they stay when they're waiting for the game to start, you got to have a little lobby area. You got to have two lobbies, one's the main and one's the actual arena lobby. But before we do that, you got to do /OITC and then you got to do create and then the name of your arena. Make sure if you're using any capitals anywhere within this name, then you've got to make sure that you use the capitals on the main lobby and within the sign. So you do Strike Zone like that. Boom, Strike Zone has been created. Now we're going to do /OITC, and instead of create, we get rid of that, and we're going to put set lobby like that, and there we go. This is where they'll spawn for Strike Zone. Now I'm just going to go through here again. Oh, to fair, that'll do. Now the next thing you got to do is obviously set your spawn points. Now if you want, you can like change the ground to have something different, so you can be like, oh, I'm going to make a spawn here, but for me I'm just going to leave it as that normal. I'm just going to set random spawns. So what you got to do for this is you got to do /OITC and then you've got to do add spawn and then whatever your arena name was. Remember, if you used capitals, you got to use capitals in these. So there we go. So you created spawn. Now some plugins have it where you got to do like /add spawn 1, add spawn 2. This one you basically add spawn there, and then you just go to somewhere else like this and go there, and then move around again. I'm going to do a few because obviously this map is quite a big map, and I want about, I don't know, probably 15 people playing. So there, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, I'm gonna do 10, maybe 12, 4, 5, 6, doopy-doo, 7, and the amount that you create is totally up to you. The amount of spawns, you don't have to create a certain limit for it to work. 8. It is entirely up to the individual and how big the map is, how many people you're gonna have in here playing. Boom. So we're on 9. I'll go and do one more. I might do 2 more because I figured out a few places I could use. But don't forget, obviously, the configuration of the amount of maximum players and minimum players is all within your FTP area. So obviously if you go over there, you can change that, like put spawn here. We'll put one more in here, and then we should be good. Boom. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That'll do. We've got 17 spawns, which is all good. So now basically you've literally done your main sort of like part of the actual plugin. Now the only other thing you've got to do now is you've got to create a sign for your actual lobby so people can come and join. So if we just go back to wherever you set your main lobby, obviously where all your signs are going to be, so I'm just going to pretend it's over here. So just give myself a sign a second. Boom. So you put a sign down. Now you do square bracket is open, OITC, close bracket, and then the name, like so, and then leave the rest of the two blank. Click done. And oops, did I do that wrong? Be right back. And we're back. Sorry about that. My server actually froze just then. I didn't realize that there was a code in which was being put in by a friend, and the server sort of crashed. So yeah, basically the command for the actual sign is you don't need these brackets. That's why it wasn't working. That's what I was going to change, but then the server decided to crash because a friend of mine put in a code in and forgot to tell me. He didn't realize I was online. But you don't have to put these brackets like some of them do. Basically, you just put OITC, and then underneath you type your map. Now, for some reason, I mean, I said earlier about the capitals, you got to remember them. But with the map, with the actual like main lobbies and doing the actual commands to set the spawns, you do. But in this instance, you don't. As long as you've got your name the way you typed it, don't matter about capitalization or anything like that. You just basically type OITC, your name and your map, leave these two blank, click done, and there we go. Now, what will happen is when you click it, obviously they'll get set to the main lobby, and this is where they'll be, and obviously they'll hang out and all that sort of stuff. You can, if you want, put a leave sign. So I'll just do this second. Go here, then go back up here. Now I don't know if you can make a sign. I haven't looked at the sign actually yet for it, but let's always see if it works. No, you'll be able to create like a sign where if you use another plugin, which you can actually make signs into clickable like commands. So what you could do is you could be like put OITC, click here, like that. You could have it like that, and then you could use the other plugin to make it. I mean, it'd be nice if they actually had like a leave sign. That's the only thing that I would say would be nice to see in the next like update of the actual plugin, if they actually incorporated a one in the chamber click sign that you can leave and stuff like that. That would be pretty cool. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed. If you want to download this plugin, then there will be a link in the description for you guys to go and look at it. It runs on the newest version of Minecraft, which is obviously 1.7.10. Well, the new Craft Bucket version is 1.7.9, but you know, it works on the latest one, which is pretty cool. And you know, it's a really simple sort of setup to do. You know, it's not one of those sort of plugins where it's really hard to configure and to work out. It's literally, I mean, let's have a look at the command section again. So many commands you actually need to use to set up a lobby. Oh, you need, let's have a look. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 commands. So all you need to use is 4 commands to create a lobby, which is pretty cool. Another thing as well, if you want to see like which lobbies you've already created, type in OITC list, and there you go, list of arenas strike zone, which is also pretty cool. But hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, like you can see, click the subscribe button, and if you don't want to enjoy sort of content, then be sure to share. Plus, if you want to see more of these sort of stuff, then obviously leave a like on the video and leave a comment in the section below. But don't forget to, whichever channel you're watching on, if you watch it on PixelCraft, go and check out the New Gamer. If you're watching the New Gamer, which more than likely most of you will be, because PixelCraft 1 has only just started up, so you know we're trying to get that thing running. Because we've got this server here, Minecraft, which is PixelCraft, plus we've got a Gmod server as well. But yeah, go and check them out. The links that you require will be in the description. But guys, this is New Gamer. I'm signing out, but keep on gaming.